Hey everybody, it's Denzel at Exploration Place, and welcome to another stay-at-home STEM activity. In front of you is some liquid nitrogen. Let me be safe real quick, place some stuff on. Liquid nitrogen is negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. For you Celsius people out there, you Celsius fans, it's going to be 195 and some change, okay? I'm going to pour some in here. I've already got a lot, but just to kind of top us off, we'll pour it in there. Liquid nitrogen at its state is a liquid. Negative 321 is very cold for things around it. If you were to, say, add in some other stuff to it, you can actually change the physical properties of other particular items. So, in fact, I happen to have some right here. I have some yarn that we're going to add to our nitrogen. And just for comparison, I'm going to go ahead and place this strand inside of the nitrogen just like it is, and we'll check on that in just a moment. Now, when you take a high energy like nitrogen, which is in the air you breathe around you, it's about 70% of the air around you, and you cool it down, you can make it become a liquid. It's a lower energy state. If you go even lower than that, it becomes a solid. So you have to get really, really cold to get nitrogen to become a solid. We are going to change the physical properties of this. Well, not necessarily this. We're going to make some string art using our yarn. We're going to change the physical properties of liquid water. Now, liquid water at room temperature you're familiar with, is a liquid. And all we need to do is slow down the energy of the liquid and turn it into a solid. So, let's just get that kind of soak in. Let me move this over just a little bit. All right. I'm going to pull out our first strand so we have a comparison of our strings. There we are. And you can see, well, it still kind of looks like yarn, right? In fact, really nothing has changed at all. But hopefully, we'll get something different from these strands of yarn. I'll use this purple one. Why not? I like the way the purple looks. There we are. Let's add this to our mixture. Oh man, it's like spaghetti. Let's add this in here. Now already you might be able to see that there's been a difference in when we put this in here versus when we put that in there. So let's count about 3 more seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's pull it out and see if I have any string art. Ooh, that's cool. The water that absorbed into the yarn actually became so cold it changed from a liquid state, which is kind of a medium-ish energy state, to an even lower state of energy, known as a solid, which helped to freeze and solidify our string into this beautiful piece of art. I tell you what, I'm gonna put this one in there and we'll see what this one looks like. Let's place this off to the side, back into the water. Let's count, let's give it 3 more seconds. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Let's pull this out. Oh, I couldn't see it. Let's see what that looks like. Well, it looks just kind of like a giant yarn ball for your cats. Well, that was fun. Once again, this has been another Stay at Home STEM. I'm Denzel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.